Hello everyone and welcome back to the Gadget Grid. In today's video, we're going to review the Garmin Approach S42. Are you a golf enthusiast looking for a reliable and accurate way to track your game? Look no further than the Garmin Approach S42, the GPS golf smartwatch that will revolutionize the way you play. With a 1.2 inches easy-to-read color touchscreen display and more than 42,000 preloaded courses, this watch has everything you need to take your game to the next level. Let's take a closer look at its features. Body. The Approach S42 is lightweight, and it's rose gold. Ceramic bezel and tan silicone band make it a stylish accessory on and off the golf course. The quick release bands allow you to change up your look quickly and easily. With a battery life of up to 15 hours in GPS mode and up to 10 days in smartwatch mode, you can wear this watch all day and not have to worry about recharging. The Green View feature allows manual pin positioning, so you can quickly reference distances to the front, middle, and back of the green, as well as hazards and doglegs. The Auto Shot Round Analyzer measures and auto-records detected shot distances, lie-in. Ball contact may affect shot tracking, and pairs with optional Approach CT10 club tracking sensors. Sold separately, for more automatic game tracking capabilities. The Approach S42 also offers smart notifications, when paired with a compatible smartphone, and estimated activity tracking. Features such as steps, sleep, and built-in sports profiles. Plus, when you pair it with the Garmin Golf app, when downloaded on a compatible smartphone, you can enjoy live scoring, automatic scorecard uploads, and review all your stats in one place. The Garmin Approach S42 is the ultimate golf smartwatch for the serious golfer. With its easy-to-read color touchscreen display, Green View feature, and Auto Shot Round Analyzer, you'll have everything you need to take your game to the next level. Plus, with its stylish design and quick release bands, you can wear it on and off the course. Order now with free delivery and free returns and join the many satisfied customers who have rated this product with 4.8 stars. Don't wait any longer. Get your Garmin Approach S42 today and take your golf game to the next level. You can also check it. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.